Did you know sourdough pancakes can help with digestion and are packed with gut-friendly probiotics? Plus, they're as fluffy as a cloud. Stick around to find out how to make the healthiest and tastiest pancakes ever. Welcome to another episode where fitness meets culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of sourdough pancakes, a delicious, nutritious treat perfect for fueling your active lifestyle. Let's get cooking. Sourdough pancakes are good. They're delicious and nutritious. We all love pancakes, but they can be sugary and leave us sluggish. Traditional pancakes spike blood sugar levels. Here's what you'll need for the perfect sourdough pancakes: a sourdough starter, whole grain flour, eggs, and a touch of natural sweeteners like honey. The magic lies in the fermentation process of the sourdough starter, which makes the pancakes easier to digest and enhances nutrient absorption. Backhand index pointing right pro tip: use buttermilk instead of regular milk for an extra probiotic punch, or let your batter ferment overnight to maximize flavor and fluffiness. Let's cook. First, heat your skillet to medium and grease it with a bit of coconut oil. Pour a scoop of the bubbly batter onto the pan. Wait for those telltale bubbles, then flip for a perfectly golden pancake. Camera with flash, here's the final stack. Soft, fluffy, and just waiting to be drizzled with maple syrup or topped with fresh fruit. Doesn't this look amazing? So there you have it. A stack of sourdough pancakes that's not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Perfect for breakfast before your next adventure or as a weekend treat. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Try this recipe and tell us about your experience in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our Fit for Travel channel for more delicious, healthy recipes and fitness tips.
See you next time.